Hello everyone and welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR on ISRAR'S channel. In today's session, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in supply chain management: supply chain performance mapping. Together, we'll explore how key performance indicators, KPIs, are used across every stage of the supply chain, from suppliers and manufacturing to logistics, warehousing, retail, and customer service, enabling organizations to monitor performance, identify improvement opportunities, and make data-driven decisions. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to understand what a supply chain KPI map is, identify KPIs used at each stage of the supply chain, understand how KPIs support operational and strategic decisions, learn how analytics integrates supply chain performance, and recognize the importance of end-to-end performance measurement. Every organization measures performance differently, depending on its goals and business priorities. However, in supply chain management, key performance indicators, KPIs, provide a standardized way to evaluate how efficiently each stage of the supply chain is operating and identify areas that require improvement. The following illustration presents a typical set of KPIs used to monitor and optimize performance across the entire supply chain. Now let's define the supply chain KPI map. It is a visual representation of supply chain stages, performance indicators, operational metrics, strategic metrics, and analytics integration. Purpose of supply chain KPI mapping is monitor performance, detect bottlenecks, improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. The first step in supply chain KPI mapping is to map the end-to-end supply chain flow. This involves identifying every stage of the supply chain, beginning with procurement, followed by suppliers, manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, distribution, retail, and finally the customer. By clearly defining each stage, organizations can assign relevant KPIs, monitor performance across the entire supply chain, identify bottlenecks, and drive continuous improvement. The next step in supply chain KPI mapping is to develop a central analytics dashboard. This dashboard consolidates data from every stage of the supply chain into a single platform, providing end-to-end visibility. It enables organizations to continuously monitor performance, generate real-time reports, improve forecasting accuracy, and support data-driven operational and strategic decision-making. Now, let's take a detailed look at the KPI mapping for each stage of the supply chain. We will examine the key performance indicators used at every stage, understand what they measure, and see how they help monitor performance, identify improvement opportunities, and support data-driven decision-making across the end-to-end supply chain. Let's start with the procurement stage in supply chain. The objective of procurement KPIs is to ensure the efficient, compliant, and cost-effective purchasing of goods and services while maintaining reliable supplier performance. Key performance indicators commonly used at this stage include procurement cycle time, purchase order, PO, processing time, cost savings, %, procurement costs per purchase order, contract compliance rate, supplier on-time delivery rate, and purchase price variance (PPV). Together, these KPIs help organizations measure procurement efficiency, control costs, monitor supplier performance, and ensure compliance with procurement policies and contracts. Effective procurement management reduces purchasing costs, ensures the timely availability of materials, strengthens supplier relationships, minimizes supply disruptions, and supports smooth and uninterrupted business operations. The next stage in is supply chain performance, KPIs, mapping is sourcing and supplier selection. The objective of supplier KPIs is to ensure reliable, high quality, and cost-effective sourcing that supports uninterrupted business operations. These key performance indicators measure how effectively suppliers meet organizational expectations in terms of quality, cost, and delivery. Important supplier KPIs include supply in full on time, SIFIT, delivery quality, DOQ, ISO compliance, procurement cost, supplier lead time, supplier fill rate, and the supplier performance score. Monitoring these KPIs helps organizations identify high-performing suppliers, strengthen supplier relationships, reduce supply chain risks, improve production continuity, minimize disruptions, and achieve greater operational efficiency and cost savings. The next stage in key performance mapping in a supply chain is manufacturing. The objective of mapping manufacturing KPIs is to improve productivity while minimizing waste, reducing costs, and ensuring consistent product quality. These key performance indicators enable organizations to measure the efficiency and effectiveness of their manufacturing operations. Important manufacturing KPIs include production cycle time, production capacity, overall equipment effectiveness (OEE), delivery quality (DOQ), stock turn, inventory accuracy, production cost, and scrap or rework rate. Monitoring these KPIs helps organizations optimize production processes, increase operational efficiency, improve product quality, reduce waste and manufacturing costs, enhance inventory management, and achieve higher overall productivity. The next stage in key performance mapping in a supply chain is transportation. The objective of transportation performance mapping is to deliver products quickly, economically, and sustainably while ensuring high levels of customer satisfaction. These key performance indicators help organizations evaluate the efficiency, reliability, and environmental impact of their transportation operations. Important transportation KPIs include delivery on time (DOT), delivery quality, transportation lead time, freight cost, vehicle utilization, CO2 emissions, and damage rate. Monitoring these KPIs enables organizations to optimize transportation performance, reduce logistics costs, improve delivery speed and reliability, minimize product damage, enhance resource utilization, and support sustainability initiatives through lower carbon emissions. The next stage in key performance mapping in a supply chain is warehouse KPIs. And the objective of warehouse KPIs mapping is to optimize inventory management and warehouse operations by improving efficiency, accuracy, and customer service while minimizing operational costs. These key performance indicators help organizations monitor the effectiveness of warehousing activities and ensure that inventory is managed efficiently. Important warehouse KPIs include shipment on time (SOT), stock availability, ABC inventory classification, warehouse utilization, inventory accuracy, stock turn, order picking accuracy, and costs per order. Monitoring these KPIs enables organizations to reduce inventory holding costs, improve warehouse efficiency, enhance inventory visibility and accuracy, increase order fulfillment performance, and deliver higher service levels to customers. The next stage in key performance mapping in a supply chain is distribution, and the objective of mapping the distribution KPIs is to deliver products to retailers efficiently, cost-effectively, and reliably while maintaining high customer service standards. These key performance indicators help organizations evaluate the performance of their distribution network and ensure that products reach customers on time and in good condition. Important distribution KPIs include delivery on time (DOT), delivery quality, outbound lead time, freight costs, carbon emissions, truck fill rate, and OTIF, on time in full. Monitoring these KPIs enables organizations to optimize distribution operations, reduce transportation costs, improve delivery speed and reliability, enhance vehicle utilization, support sustainability initiatives, and provide superior customer service. The next stage in key performance mapping in a supply chain is retail, and the objective of mapping retail KPIs is to ensure that products are consistently available for customers while maximizing sales performance and optimizing inventory management. These key performance indicators help retailers evaluate the efficiency of their inventory control, merchandising, and store operations. Important retail KPIs include product availability, ABC inventory classification, stock turn, inventory accuracy, manual orders, %, sales per square foot, and shrinkage rate. Monitoring these KPIs enables retailers to improve shelf availability, reduce stockouts, optimize inventory investment, minimize inventory losses, increase operational efficiency, and enhance overall sales performance and customer satisfaction. The last stage in key performance mapping in a supply chain is customers. The objective of mapping of customers' KPIs is to measure customer satisfaction, evaluate service performance, and strengthen long-term customer relationships. These key performance indicators help organizations assess how effectively they fulfill customer expectations and deliver value throughout the order fulfillment process. Important customer KPIs include OTIF, on time in full, to customer, order fill rate, perfect order rate, customer satisfaction, CSAT, Net Promoter Score, NPS, response time and return rate. Monitoring these KPIs enables organizations to improve service quality, increase customer loyalty and retention, reduce product returns, enhance customer experience, and build a strong competitive advantage through superior customer service. After mapping the performance of the supply chain at each operational stage, including procurement, suppliers, manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, distribution, retail, and customer service, the next step is enterprise-level performance mapping. This strategic level provides a holistic view of the overall health, efficiency, and competitiveness of the entire supply chain. Enterprise-level KPIs enable organizations to evaluate how well the end-to-end supply chain supports corporate objectives, creates customer value, and delivers sustainable financial performance. Key enterprise-level KPIs include DIFOT, delivery in full on time, or product availability, total supply chain cost, cash-to-cash cycle time, inventory turnover, supply chain cycle time, CO2 emissions, workforce productivity, safety performance, and sustainability score. Monitoring these strategic KPIs enables organizations to assess overall supply chain performance, drive continuous improvement, strengthen operational resilience, optimize costs, enhance sustainability, and support long-term business growth. These enterprise-level KPIs are primarily designed for senior management, executive leadership, and supply chain directors, who rely on them to make strategic decisions, allocate resources, monitor organizational performance, and align supply chain activities with corporate strategy. Another critical component of supply chain performance mapping is planning and inventory because it supports strategic planning by ensuring that customer demand is accurately forecasted and inventory is maintained at optimal levels across the supply chain. Effective planning and inventory management help organizations balance product availability with inventory costs while improving operational efficiency. Key performance indicators used to measure planning and inventory performance include forecast accuracy, demand plan accuracy, warehouse fill rate, inventory fill rate, stock turn per site, discontinued stock, automatic order rate, and the sales and operations planning (S&OP) gaps. Monitoring these KPIs enables organizations to optimize inventory levels, improve forecast reliability, reduce excess and obsolete stock, enhance replenishment efficiency, strengthen cross-functional planning, and support more effective inventory optimization and demand planning across the entire supply chain. After completing supply chain performance mapping across every stage of the supply chain, from procurement and suppliers to manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, distribution, retail, customer service, enterprise-level performance, and planning and inventory, the final step is to evaluate the business outcomes achieved through effective KPI management. A well-designed supply chain KPI map provides organizations with a comprehensive view of operational performance, enabling data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement. By monitoring and analyzing the right KPIs, organizations can identify performance gaps, eliminate inefficiencies, and align supply chain activities with strategic business objectives. An effective KPI map helps organizations improve customer service by ensuring reliable product availability and timely deliveries, reduce total supply chain costs through process optimization and waste reduction, increase inventory accuracy to minimize stock discrepancies and improve replenishment decisions, enhance supplier performance by measuring quality, delivery, and compliance, optimize transportation through better route planning and vehicle utilization, and improve warehouse efficiency. By increasing storage utilization and order fulfillment accuracy. Furthermore, it supports sustainability by reducing environmental impact, increases profitability through improved operational efficiency and cost savings, and strengthens supply chain resilience by enabling organizations to respond more effectively to disruptions and changing market conditions. Ultimately, supply chain performance mapping transforms operational data into strategic insights, helping organizations build an agile, efficient, customer-centric, and competitive supply chain that delivers long-term business value. Key takeaways of today's presentation. Every supply chain stage has unique KPIs. Operational KPIs support day-to-day performance. Strategic KPIs guide executive decision-making. Analytics integrates data across the entire supply chain, and continuous KPI monitoring drives operational excellence and competitive advantage. Let us conclude this presentation with a timeless quote that perfectly captures the essence of supply chain performance management. You cannot improve what you do not measure. So, a well-designed supply chain KPI map provides complete visibility across suppliers, manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, distribution, retail, and customers. By aligning the right KPIs with every stage of the supply chain, organizations can make data-driven decisions, improve efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver superior customer value. Thank you for watching Learning with ISRAR on ISRAR'S channel. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on supply chain analytics, procurement, logistics, and supply chain management.